Chiwenga is Zimbabwe's most logical presidential choice for 2028. I am a political scientist. I deal in evidence, patterns, and comparative analysis on sentiment, not faction, not political convenience, and the evidence on General Chiwenga as Zimbabwe's next president is, at this point, overwhelming. Sadapina mashkwano mudapangwa ino chipomsarurwa achexplaina why CHAMISA is the logical president. You go subscribe or like on the bell icon. In political science, we identify 4 qualities essential for successful leadership in post-conflict development of states: institutional legitimacy, national breadth, constitutional commitment, developmental seriousness. General Chiwenga's record on all 4 is exceptional. No other viable candidate comes close. No living Zimbabwean commands deeper genuine respect across ZVAITWA PNCI simultaneously. No manufactured loyalty, not patronage loyalty, and loyalty across decades of proven institutional integrity. A Chiwenga presidency means stability from day one. Madibele trust him, Manekale trust him, Mashinale trust him, millions trust him. His military career built loyalty across every province, every community, every linguistic line. Zimbabwe's unhealed regional wounds need exactly this president. Constitutional commitment. November 2017, maximum power, ZDF in control, political landscape fluid. He could have installed himself. He stepped back. In the entire comparative literature of African civil-military relations, that restraint is almost without precedent. A man who chose not to seize power is paradoxically most qualified to hold it. Political science teaches us you don't change the rules of a game. You are confident of winning. Cap 3 removes the direct popular presidential vote with extraordinary agency. Why the agency? Because in a free direct popular contest in 2028, retired General Chiwenga wins, and they know it. Hundi remains Zimbabwe's most serious and resolved national reconciliation challenge. A genuine healing process requires a president trusted across the regional divide, with a clean hands, with the national credibility, with no factional interest in the outcome. That the president is retired General Chiwenga. Doma developments are not pangwa ine atagwana chipusarwa achisapota the effect yarukaitara chiti why VP Constantino Chiwenga is the most logical president. Bina kuma section medos of kura aim to leave on so pitch to each. Subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.